what's up, Slider Crew? It's your boy Clutch C. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you already a subscriber, men or women, thanks for rocking with me. Hey, if you saw my last video where I took the windshield off and took a ride with my half helmet, where, you know, it worked out pretty good. But this time I'm gonna do it with my full face. I'm gonna take another ride. All right, guys, now it's day 2. And as you can see, I got my full face on. I'm gonna see if I can get less wind, you know, with my bike over here, you know, without the windshield on it. We're gonna see if the full face is, you know, gonna give me a better result. So we're gonna check it out. All right, man, so let me get my gloves on. Forgot to put my gloves on. It's a little cool out here. And we gonna roll. Alright, man, it's another beautiful day out here. I'm testing my bike without a windshield. Yesterday and today was the first time I've ever rode without the windshield. But today I have my full face on. See if it's gonna break up some of that noise. The wind. Now yesterday with my half helmet on, it was a sunny, windy 80 degrees. Now just one day later, it's sunny, windy, but now it's dropped to 64 degrees, about the same time of the day. If that ain't bipolar, I don't know what it is. Houston weather is totally bipolar. But you know what, I still love it. So I'm still getting a lot of wind on my body. But because I have the full face on, I'm not getting as much wind. You know, I kind of like the look without the windshield. But I'm trying to decide if I want to put it back on, because you know, I could wear my half helmet or my full helmet and still be okay. And right now the wind is really, you know, hitting the front of my body. It's definitely noticeable without the windshield on here. The wind is about to blow me off the bike, really. I've never felt that with the windshield on. So today I don't have my son with me. He wanted to go play basketball, so you know, with his friends. So I said I was gonna ride anyway. I wanted to finish this test out. Windshield, no windshield, half helmet, full helmet. I mean, this bike really rides good. And I'm gonna stop by the park and probably talk about it. You know, I was trying to think of a name, because everybody looked like everybody named their bike. But it's I've came up with plenty of names, but none that stuck, none that I wanted to stick with. But this month I have a temporary name for her. This month I actually paid my last note on the bike. So the most appropriate name for for my bike this month is Paid Off. So this month is called Paid Off. I paid my last note. And I've had it about, well, I guess it's been about 3 years, since 22. I think I got it in May of 22. So it took me almost, what, 4 years? Right at 4 years to pair off. And so I've been debating now, do I want to get a different bike? Or do I want to get another bike and put 2 bikes in the stable? I usually don't have a big sentimental value, you know, about for material things, but this, you know, this being my first bike, I really would be hard pressed trading it in. When I watch other motorcycle videos on YouTube and I see guys on their motorcycles, I always say, hey, please tell me what, you know, what type of bike it is, what's the make and model. So I'm gonna tell you about mine. She's a 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. It's a 900, but man, it's a pretty fast bike. And I've had her since 22, and she actually gets paid off this month. So I haven't changed much to it. I mean, it still have almost all of the original stuff on it. Right now today, I don't have the windshield on it because I'm doing a test, so I took the windshield off. Probably the biggest thing I've done to it is change the bags here. It had leather bags on it, and I wanted some hard bags that I could lock. So that was the biggest thing. I wanted to be able to lock the bags. So I bought these bags. These are actually Harley Davidson bags, and I got them off of Amazon. Really good price. I think I paid maybe about right at $250, $300 for them. And I've added small things like, you know, my bag right there to carry stuff in. I have another bag here that I keep my tools in. But I have really good, you know, really good storage space in here, so it holds, you know, a lot of stuff. I've added this gel cushion pad on there. It already had the speakers on it, so there's not much I've done to it. Put in an LED headlight and LED turn signals on it. But other than that, man, I love it. I think when I got it, bought it used and it had about 3,000 miles on it. And so now, let's see, I'll show you how many miles is on it now. So I'm at about 15,000 plus miles on it. So hey, we've been getting it in, man. So if you have any other questions about the bike, hey, just put it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer any questions. I always answer all of the comments. Anyway, man, that's my baby, and I call her Paid Off. I call her Paid Off, baby. I've already went to the Harley dealership, test drove a Street Glide, and I'm gonna go back and test drive a Road Glide. You know, it's that big thing on YouTube, bat wing or shark wing. We're gonna see. Would I trade her in? I really don't. I don't think I would, unless they just give me such a good deal. This being my first bike, man, I'm kind of sentimental to her. So anyway, we're gonna get back on the road. So yeah, man, the bike feel a little naked without the windshield. You know, maybe it feels like that because when I bought it, it had the windshield on it. So will I put the windshield back on? Probably so. I'm just so used to the look with the windshield on. I mean, it don't look bad with it off. It just feels naked to me, looks naked to me, and it just gives me a lot more wind than I'm actually used to. So anyway, man, that's gonna complete my test. Hey, I want to appreciate y'all for watching. Leave it in the comment what you think. Windshield, no windshield. You know, which would you prefer? And hey, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And again, I really appreciate you watching. So I'm gonna sign off here, but hey man, and for those of you who can't ride because of the weather in your state, hey, enjoy the ride home with me, man. Make sure you keep Twoz on the ground and always keep your head on the swivel. Later.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.